Looks like this is the X. iPhone X, 256 gigs. A little early present to myself. Yeah, it's the unboxing time, folks. So they want you to do this. We did that. Careful right there. Careful, careful, careful. I'm doing all this myself. Filming all this myself. So bear with me, folks. Bear with me. And this is the X. Got it in gray. Wanted to change it up. Really didn't want to get it in black. Made no difference, honestly. So here we go. It's the X. Looks beautiful. And once again, you have an unboxing by me. And this is the things it comes with. Accessories, all them fun gadgets. Unboxing of the X. Day of. Filmed by me. How I do, like I did with the Apple Watch Series 3. Peace, love all y'all.